Hello, today I would like to discuss filters with activated carbon. I have a little cheat sheet here because we get activated carbon in several forms, in granules, in powder, the size of granules. There are several types. There is activated carbon from wood, coconuts, from real coal, and another one, I forget what is it called. It's a type of activated carbon that is chemically enhanced, which eliminates various odors and destroys different compounds. There is activated carbon installed in masks, activated carbon for water filtration, and we use filters with activated carbon because they are one of the ways of purifying heat recovery ventilation systems. Some time ago, one company came up with the idea to put an ozone generator into the ventilation unit. An ozone generator is not suitable because inhaling ozone sharply destroys the system. It rusts because ozone is a very strong oxidizer. The whole system rusts. The ozone accelerates the decomposition of plastics and so on. We don't use anything like that. It was a company in Częstochowa that started installing something like that. I even called them to tell them not to do it because I have experience in this field. They got upset with me. Okay, here's an example for you. This is an industrial professional ozone tube. We can clean the system with ozone from time to time to get rid of mold, like in a car, where you remove mold from the air conditioning system to get rid of bacteria once every 6 months or once a year. What can we use? We can use ionizers. They're popular now in premium cars or in standard Chinese cars. We also use ionizers. An ionizer causes the dust particles that are flying in the air to become electrified, settle on the ground, and we can vacuum them up. Well, that's ionization at home, but I wanted to show you a simple carbon filter, a little smog filter.
So, what did I want to tell you?
Right in this okay, very shown on the hot is this at the we use regular standard coal. If you want to do something extra, you'll have to adjust it yourself. Our filter elements have one advantage. Not only are they very easy to remove, very easy to unscrew, they have one more beautiful advantage. I'll unscrew it in a moment. Look, unscrew the little screw here. On the activated carbon immediately comes out. So to do this and show you, I have to do it differently. I messed it up. I'll unscrew it here. One element. These are fillable elements. You see, it's filled like this. Here we have charcoal. We use this. It's 5 or 7 millimeters thick, these little pellets. It can be powder charcoal, but then you would need to add some kind of filter, like a non-woven fabric. And here with carbon filters, you can adjust it as you wish. When we buy an anti-smog filter, we can adjust the carbon as we wish. We can easily do this. The carbon we use is responsible for eliminating the smell of carbon dioxide. In
standard cases where you burn coal?
I need to take this away and try to insert it. I hope I can manage. Excuse my standing like this, but I don't know if I'll be able to do this. This weight is pulling it down.
I adjust this box for you, but later you have to choose everything you need. What kind of charcoal, coconut, a kind of wooden made from nuts. With each filter element inside here, which you buy by weight, it's not that expensive. You take it and adjust it, and this is the best and only way of filtration.
All gas masks work on this principle.
The most important thing here is the filling that needs to be done. As I mentioned, we have nut, coal, wood, and also the chemically coated one. I forgot what it's called. I had it written down somewhere.
It's chemically impregnated. To choose the right filter element, you have to do it by trial and error. Depending on what fuel you use, what smells you have, you can basically neutralize anything with this filter. And as I say, there are no other methods today to neutralize these odors than ionizers, which are relatively healthy and safe, and carbon filters. And this is the cheapest, best, and most sensible solution today, the carbon filters and all the technology related to them. Above all, this filter is characterized by great simplicity. You fill it with whatever you want, choose the mixtures you like. They are available everywhere. On the regular auction sites, on the internet, you can ask chat what to choose for which odors. It will advise you without any problem. You'll have a specific set, a device to get rid of specific odors. This is what we offer at O3 Ozone. It is expensive to make because of these tubes. Since they are, you could say, handmade, but as I showed you, they are fillable.